HFM is one of the best brokers out there for pro traders and beginners who want to start their trading journey. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to open an HFM account, verify your details and get ready to start trading without any confusion. This video is for educational purposes only. Before we start, make sure you have a valid email address, a phone number and a government issued ID card because you will need them during the registration and verification process. Open your preferred browser and go to the official HFM website. The link is in the video description. When you head over to the website, click the green register button. This takes you straight to the sign up form. Select your country. My country is Nigeria, so it has automatically been selected for me. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. Weak password gets flagged and can slow down your registration. So after entering your details, tap on continue. HFM will send an email to your email address. You can check your spam folder or promotion folder if it doesn't show up in 2 to 3 minutes. Confirm your email and head over to the next step. After verifying your email, enter your full legal name, date of birth and phone number. Then here you have to choose the currency that you want in your account. You can choose Naira, you can choose Euro and you can choose USD. Then I'm going to choose USD. Then I'm going to select my state and everything. After entering your details, all you have to do is to go through their terms. So when you tap on this terms and condition, you will be taken to their terms and condition page. So go to the terms and condition page. Come back to this page and check I have read and accept all. So I'll just tap on continue. In the next page, I'll be asked to enter my address information. Your country of residence determines which HFM entity regulates your account and what leverage you are allowed. So make sure it's 100% accurate. So after entering your address details, scroll down to the investor's profile and enter the details there. So I'm asked to choose my net worth. So I'm going to choose this one. Make sure it is accurate and choose the correct details. After filling all the details, I'll just have to tap on continue. So in the next page, I'll be showing my details for me to confirm if everything is okay and correct. So all you have to do is to go through it and confirm if your details or the address entered is correct. If all the information you entered are correct, so all you have to do is to tap on I confirm here and then tap on continue. In the next step, you'll be asked to verify your account. So all you have to do is to upload the government issued ID card that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So when you tap on this browse option, you will be given the two options to either use camera or to browse the photos and select it from your phone, as if you have the picture of the ID card in your phone. So but I have the voter's card with me here, so all I have to do is to tap on camera and then I will position it the way I'm going to see it, and then I'll snap. So I'll proceed. Then I'll come down to the second option. I'll tap on browse, then I'll choose camera again. Then I will snap the back of the voter's card. Then I'll proceed. So now that I've snapped everything, so if you have selected both the picture, just tap on this upload. In the next page, you will see this option saying PLE verification is pending, meaning that the verification is pending. So all I have to do is to wait for some time and my account will be verified. Now, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. You can ask me a question in the comments or tell me where you are watching this video from. Now that your account is verified, the next step is to fund it the right way. Check out this video where I explain how to fund your HFM account. I explained everything step by step in the way you understand it. Click on this video to watch it and I will see you in the video.